my name's Jim McGraw, and I'm a film composer. I started doing music for advertising, which was a pretty great training ground because you're working to picture all the time. You know, they're 30 seconds long, but you are learning the craft of synchronizing music with picture. As far as growing up and the kind of music I listened to, it's kind of embarrassing in that I was a trumpet player, so I only listened to music that had trumpets on it. It was stupid. Nowadays, and once I got to be a little more mature, I listen to pretty much everything. And I mean, I love rock, I love jazz, I love contemporary classical music. I love pretty much everything. I feel a good piece of music is something that that moves me, whether I find it interesting, I find it emotionally moving, whether it just sounds cool. So that's cool. Like that. That has a neat color to it. This actually is for the end credits, which is kind of ridiculous. There's no picture to see, but then I thought it would be really cool for end credits. It's always nice to bring in the orchestra, right? So you have. I find inspiration for music from everywhere, from going to see films, from listening to records, from something you just hear on the radio, from going to see a band. It's like they say the same thing about novelists are always listening to people and conversations to get ideas. Well, I'm always listening to whatever music's going on. Sometimes an entire 4 or 5 hours will go by before I realize, you know, how long I've been working on something, and that's a pretty good feeling.